How to prepare the subfloor. For this, you need a moisture meter, a vacuum cleaner, and a trowel. The first thing to do when installing a vinyl floor is to thoroughly inspect the existing subfloor. Any bumps or irregularities in the subfloor will cause problems later on in the process. We therefore recommend taking plenty of time for a thorough preparation. First of all, remove all existing soft floor coverings such as carpeting, felt and vinyl. Hard floor coverings such as tiles and linoleum can stay in place unless there are too many irregularities. We also recommend removing any laminate. Do you have a wooden subfloor? Check for any traces of mold or insect infestations and make sure that the moisture content of the wood does not exceed 10%. If there is a crawl space underneath your wooden subfloor, contact your dealer. He'll be able to give you more information. The ideal moisture content for a subfloor must be less than 2.5% cm if the subfloor is cement screed and 0.5% cm if it is an anhydrate subfloor. If you have underfloor heating, this should be 1.5% for cement screed and 0.3% for anhydrite subfloors. Use a moisture meter and keep track of the moisture content. It is absolutely essential that the subfloor is completely level. Cement joints measuring more than 1 mm in depth must be leveled out. The same applies to any differences in height exceeding 2 mm over a length of 1 meter. Using one of your vinyl planks, you can easily detect any differences in height. Use a leveling compound to smooth out any minor irregularities. Using the right underlay will help you overcome many problems. We're almost ready for the next step now. As soon as the subfloor is completely level, make sure that it's also perfectly dry and clean. Remove all traces of grease, chemical residue and glue. Make sure that there are no stray nails left anywhere and sweep and vacuum the floor. We recommend removing your old skirting boards. As soon as the new vinyl floor is in place, you can install new skirtings. Do you need more tips? Take a look at the other quick step tutorials.